Everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. And with that being said, you all, I'm here to share a updated video on my birthday bag back in February. So of course it's February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. Ooh, back for 8 months, you all, and it's about that time to review her, to let you know Miss Tamika thoughts. So here for the review on my birthday bag. Then y'all know what y'all need to do. Y'all need to go ahead and click on my subscribe button, you all, because it really helps out my channel. So with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and jump to review. Don't be alarmed, I did have this outfit on in another bag review. I'm just in filming mode. We're about to go to the movie, so I thought, hey, let me go on and video because I've been working a lot, but I like I told y'all before, I do like to pre-film. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and jump straight into this here review. Like I was saying, I purchased my birthday bag. I think it was back in February. That's 8 months since I had this baby, and let me just tell you, I'm in love with my birthday bag. And the only reason why I have been switching out, because of course y'all know I did just purchase the belt bag. Before the belt bag, using my birthday bag and another I think the Bowie bag. I got that was my last birthday, which was last year, and this one is my newest birthday purchase. This was something new to the Louis Vuitton collection. This wasn't something that they already had, and of course I wanted to have something different because, like I said, I love Louis Vuitton, but I'm not that person that's going to buy like every Speedy in different styles or every Neverfull in different styles. So when I see something different, I sometimes like to grab it if it's within my price range. So this one, like I said, was within my price range, and it's something new to Louis Vuitton. I want things to be different, like totally different in my collection. I don't want nothing to look the same, if that makes any sense. This one was, like I said, one of their newest addition to the Louis Vuitton website. Now I did purchase when it was time to purchase my birthday bag, I did purchase the backpack, and then I also purchased another bag. It was done online, and I got purchased. I was like, I wasn't 100% on the bag, and I think that was the Diana. It was nice, but it was just something. I was missing something with the Diana. I said, you know what? Let me make sure. So I took the bag to Lenox Mall with me, and we just went into the store, my family and I, just to browse around to see what was new. And I was like, okay, if it's something worth switching out, I'll just go grab the bag out the car, because I didn't bring the bag in the store with me because I wasn't sure if I was going to find anything. When I tell you, that's when I met the most amazing sales associate. She made my birthday so special. Like, that's when she had bought the champagne, water for me and my family, and such a good time. And bags, and this was the bag that I ended up purchasing. Person where is a lot of times I'm not sure, and my daughter, I was like, which one do you think I should get? I ended up with this one because of the fact that not only do you get a bag, you also get a pouch canvas bag, but the inside was just that Neverfull inside. Nothing wrong with that inside, but I don't know, I feel like Louis Vuitton need to update the inside of their bags. Like, I feel like with the monogram, I feel like they should all come with the microfiber in the inside, because I don't know, it just gives it that extraness, in my opinion. This one was a selling point for me because in the inside it has microfiber in here. So something about that microfiber in a luxury bag, it just takes it to a whole nother level. So it's one thing I was excited about. And I do also have my napkin that I was given when I was at the Louis Vuitton store for my birthday. Like, oh my gosh, she was amazing. When I tell you, carrying the bag right now, but I just wanted to kind of like update you all regarding this hair bag. Now this bag, like I said, I love a whole lot. Same bag charm as the as my high-rise bum bag, as you can see. Now this hair did come pre-treated, and have to worry about this darkening. Only thing with this is just probably gonna get darker, but it's not going to get darker to the point where it's going to take away from the bag. And another thing that sold me was the fact that this bag had feet. Like, oh my gosh, I love a bag with feet. Like my Bowie or whatever that bag is called, that bag don't have feet. And feet and microfiber in a Louis Vuitton bag, it's just, I don't know, it do something to me. Like, so that was that was two of the selling points. And the last selling point was the fact that it comes with a pouch. Like a pouch? Like, oh my gosh. Like a full-blown pouch that, oh, you know what, I found my tie, so I could try to use that to try to take that stain out. That it comes with the pouch, like, come on. So it's like I got something for something, if that makes sense. I get bags with pouches. I do not wear them separately. Only time I wear them is when I'm using my bag. So I would never wear this like by itself. Never, but majority of the time when they come with pouches, I usually keep them together. I have this here Fendi pouch, and I did get a lot of questions on this here Fendi pouch. I got this at the Fendi outlet because I remember I went to Lenox Mall in Saks at the Fendi store to purchase this. The guy was like, you know, this is at the outlet. So he gave me the information. I called the outlet and they was able to send it to me. So that's why I wasn't able to link this or anything like that, because like I said, I did get this at the Fendi outlet. And I don't even know if the Fendi outlet is still in Orlando, because the last time I went, I didn't see it. I don't know if it was like a pop-up situation. But my lip gloss is at. I have my La Mer lip gloss, Givenchy lipstick. Good stuff. My Jisoo, is that how you say it? Jisoo oil. Makeup, oh my gosh, y'all, the Makeup by Mario lip balms that look like this is thebomb.com. Got my Summer Friday sugar, pink sugar, or whatever it's called. Sierra lip, Gucci. Okay, I'm glad I went through this in my MAC. I'm glad I went through this bag because, okay, this one, the top keep falling off, so we're gonna go ahead and leave that out. With the inside of this, it can be, you can wipe it out, so if something get on here, you don't have to worry about it. But keep that out because my good lips are in here. Glossier lotion. I'm gonna also keep this out because I could throw that in my bag. Here's my bling pill holder. See, this is the one that I usually like to carry. This is the one I got off of Amazon. Push this out. So we're gonna go ahead and put that over there. And then I have my straw because I'm that person that needs a straw because I don't like to put my mouth on bottles and cans. So I usually carry like a portable straw. My other Summer Fridays lip balm. And out of this, I do have to like kind of like dust out, because with the microfiber it is kind of dusty in the inside. Not sure if you can see this, but I think I could take some tape or a lint brush and clean that out. 2 slip pockets here, and then I also have my other Chanel mirror. Like I said, I always keep my Louis Vuitton tags in the inside, and I love the fact that it has this big pull zipper. Kind of reminds you of the Louis Vuitton high-rise bum bag. With this particular bag, it do not have a zipper across, but you do have a snap, and you do have these here pull ties where you can close it shut. I'm worried about things falling out of this particular bag because anytime I carry this, I sometimes carry it like this, or I'll carry it crossbody, and in order for me to carry a crossbody, I just have to adjust these straps on the side. And like I said, I can carry this here bag crossbody. Show you really quick how it looks crossbody just so you can see. Like on the third, I think I have to put it like close to the end. Only thing, when you do change the strap to wear it crossbody, it won't tuck like in the little strap at the bottom, so just keep that in mind, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Here you have this here little strap which holds this hair strap in place, but of course if you want to wear a crossbody it won't fit. But I don't think you would have to worry about the strap, like, you know, bending up and looking crazy. I wanted to show you really quick how this hair bag looks crossbody. I said here's the bag crossbody, and so Like I said, when I wear this bag crossbody, I always toss it to the back. Comfortable. It's really easy to get in and out of. Like if you at the grocery store, all you have to do is open and grab what you need, close your bag and go. I do like the fact that the strap is like kind of thick because it makes it comfortable wearing it crossbody or on your shoulder for a while. But I stopped carrying it only because I did just purchase my bum bag. Regret purchasing this. Like I said, I love this bag a whole lot because you get a lot for the price. Like I said, you get feet, you get microfiber, and you also get a pouch. And to me, that was like a selling point for me. A lot of the Louis Vuitton bags do not come with feet. Then about feet on the bag, like when you go to sit it down, you know it's protected, it's not straight on the floor. I don't never put my bags on the floor, but if you're that person that puts your bags on the floor, this here, you will be protected. Hair pouch don't hold a lot. The only thing I had in this hair pouch was my lip balm and my Kendra Scott gift card that I got from my boss for my birthday. Place the your Chanel mirror in here as well. This hair pouch is more so for like kind of like flat stuff, since like stuff that's not going to be too bulky. Like this can fit, but it's just a little bulky. If you can see, that's the Summer Fridays lip gloss. Not as big as the Neverfull pouch, but again, it is still a good size. Like if you are a mommy and wanted to throw this in your diaper bag, you can put your driver's license, probably your car keys, some cash, and you'll be good to go. Like I said, I'm not a mommy with kids, small kids, so I wouldn't need to toss this in my baby bag. But if I was a mommy with small kids, I could see myself tossing this in my baby bag. The baby bags got cute. Like they got so cute. Like the baby bags now look like purses. At the purchase baby bags, they look like baby bags, but now they look like purses. So I was like, you know, but I know me now, I probably would have been that mom that had a Neverfull as a baby bag, or like a Gucci bag or something like that. I would probably just, like I said, place all my important things in here and toss it in my bag, and and go. Carry this bag to work. When I would go to lunch, I would just carry this instead of the whole bag, because sometimes I would go sit outside or I would go to Whole Foods, and so if I wanted to carry like my cards and some extra stuff, I would just grab this and go, instead of just like taking my whole bag every time I would go out. So this is also something good if you work and you don't want to take a full bag with you. You can just take this, put what you need, and like I said, go. But now with the credit cards, a lot of things are on your phone. So again, I could toss my phone. Like I have the 14 Pro Max. My phone do fit in here. I will have to take the mirror out. But like if I wanted to okay, hold on. So yeah, my phone do fit in here. So place all this here in this pouch, and then I can just attach it like so and make it a little wristlet and take it out to lunch with me or whatever the case is. And also this has like a nice pull tab, because I don't know, when I had that backpack, it was like really flimsy, and I'm like, it had that one main zipper. I just felt like it should have been it should have looked more like this, because you constantly in and out of that backpack. But I like this a lot better. Like I'm glad I picked this one over the backpack and the Diana. Just wanted to update you all. She is still in my collection. Again, this is one of those bags that I would never sell. When I stop carrying the bum bag, the high-rise bum bag, I will be going back to one of my birthday bags. I just love this hair bag. Like I said, I love the way that you can carry this hair bag a few different ways instead of just one way. Type of person, I like to use my things multiple ways, if that makes sense. A one-way bag. So bag has darkened. It's so beautiful. Like I said, it's only gonna probably get darker in a good way. And I don't know, But I did have to figure out, like I had to watch a YouTube video on how to tie this because I didn't like the way it was when you first get it. I had to do something extra to it to make it look like that, to give it like that knot look, the strap in the inside, because the strap was just like all over the place. So I did have to watch a video on how to do that. This here little what is it, pull tabs on this hair bag, I know some people didn't like it, but again, it didn't bother me. I just feel like purchasing this bag is like something totally different from my collection. Nothing that I have. Only thing I'll say, it just kind of reminds you of a Neverfull because of the fact that it came with the little detachable pouch. But besides that, like a totally different bag. So that's it. I'm done filming for the day. It's 12:32. We are about to hang out. We're going to go see the Scary Movie. If y'all don't know, I am a scary movie lover. Halloween month, so scary movies are playing the whole month of October, and I'm in love with it. Like, all I do is watch scary movies. I don't watch no reality TV, nothing like that. I just strictly watch scary movies all day. I'm a little crazy, like, probably so. But yeah, with that being said, you all, if y'all enjoyed this hair review, please give this video. Oh, before I end this video, if y'all have this bag, let me know down below your thoughts on the bag, because like I said, I give this bag a 10 out of 10. Again, if you do have this bag, let me know down below. Now, and with that being said, I'm done for the day, you all. So if you enjoyed this hair review, please give this video a big thumbs up because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified each week. That's right, each week your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time. Talk to you later. Bye.